It swivels.
Yeah, it swivels.
It does. Y'all know I love a swivel. Oh my god.
Tell me how the type of singer. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are gonna be doing another home decor vlog, y'all. We have a new desk, as you guys can see, and we just got the chair in for it right here. Y'all, that's some other boxes, girl. That's the box to the desk, but no, right here. Right here. This is the chair. It's supposed to be nice and fluffy. We're gonna see about that. I'm gonna show you guys the chair right here off to the side. Y'all know it's from TEMU, honey. Of course, this is a TEMU furniture review, okay? Except I'm showing y'all office furniture today. You know, something a little bit different because, you know, just in case you work from home or maybe you're a content creator, maybe you just like to have an office space set up in your home, then this is perfect for you, honey. As y'all can see, the desk is already here, put together. I'll be sure to leave the link for that video down in the description. But yeah, y'all, now we're about to go ahead and unbox and put this chair together. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys, look at that fabric. Look at that. It is so beautiful. And you guys, it's pretty firm. I don't know if this is the front or if this is the back, but you guys, this is good. Okay, this is a really nice office desk chair from TEMU, and it's huge. Look at the size of that, and mind you, it's sitting in that TEMU bar stool that we have, y'all. So, oh my God. Oh, girl, y'all, that is going to look so good. Look at that. I am excited. Jasper, that chair is not for you, sir.
Oh, hold on. Yep.
Oh, babe. How do you like it?
Baby, I absolutely love this. This is so comfy. It's so comfy. You can see Indian style.
That's what the lady said in the review. She said you could sit in Indian style.
I love this.
You love it?
Oh my God, yes. And for me to be tall and I can see Indian style in here, that's the thing.
You can Girl, child, you can sit back. You can sit back on it at your meeting like, yes, yes. Y'all, look at this. And then it's like a swivels. It swivels.
Yeah, it swivels.
It does. Y'all know I love a swivel. Oh my God. I love that. Ooh. Oh, no wheels, right?
No wheels, no wheels. But we can buy wheels. It does have wheel holes.
Y'all, this is luxurious. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so soft too. And like even this part is soft. And obviously it has the teddy cloth. Oh, well, anyway, you guys, that is going to be the end of this TEMU office home furniture video. I'm going to show you guys at the end, of course, what it looks like up to the desk that we purchased. And yeah, y'all, this chair is good, honey. This is good, y'all. It is so nice, and baby loves it. So yeah, we have to go ahead and finish putting her own home office space together, honey, because she got to go to work. She got to make us some money.
Drink you some smoothies and have an amazing day.